I'm opening it. This is simple and I can access anything in my Windows from this. I just avoid the start menu, which I don't want to use anymore because I have this one. So if you want to run any services, just go in and type the services. For example, cmd, you will get it command prompt here. If you want shell, you'll get it here. If you want control panel, you'll get it here. Everything you want, you will get it straight away from here. Hi friends, I replaced the Windows Start menu with this open source launcher and I love it. I'm opening it. This is simple and I can access anything in my Windows from this. I just avoid the start menu, which I don't want to use anymore because I have this one. Earlier, I spent some time trying to customize the start menu to navigate Windows better, but even with tweaks, it remained sluggish and limited. So I decided to ditch my start menu for Flow Launcher. Yes, you heard me, this is Flow Launcher. It's an open source app launcher and I love it. It can find files, launch apps, run system commands, and even play my Spotify list without launching the app. Now, if you want to launch an app, for example, Adobe, you will get it here all listed. Just click on one and it opens. Simple. Now, if you want to move up and down, just use the arrow to move up and down and access the desired one. Anything you want, you can search. If you want to search a folder, you'll get everything here instantly. You can open it from here. That's it. Cool. Now, if you want to search something in your browser, for example, if you want to search something you don't want to open any browser and have to go in there and have to open it. Directly you can type it here, bell.info, and I just open it straight away. It's cool, right? So if you want to run any services, just go in and type the services. For example, cmd, you will get it command prompt here. If you want shell, you'll get it here. If you want control panel, you'll get it here. Everything you want, you will get it straight away from here. If you want to search something, it will directly default it to Google. So how to get it? For that, you have to go to the browser and you have to search for Flow Launcher and just go to the web page, and from here you have to download the Flow Launcher. You'll get it here that the first one is installer and second one is portable. So once you have downloaded, you will get something like this. The launcher will be like this, and the portable you have to extract and you will get files like this. You have to simply install it. That's it. As I said, this is an open source. You can go to the GitHub from where you can see the source code and you will be able to know all the details from here. Now, if you go to the GitHub page, you'll get to know how to install it. You can get the latest version from here. And like it is mentioned here, when installing for the first time, Windows may raise an issue about the security due to the code not being signed. If you downloaded from this repo, then you are good to continue the setup. So it's better to download it from the GitHub page. So that's it. You can try it from your end. It is very useful and I love it. So hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.